tried growing an aquarium plant that just refuses to cooperate? Anubias might be your new best friend. This sturdy, beautiful plant is a game changer for your tank. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm sharing the ultimate tips and tricks to make your Anubias thrive. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned aquarist, this is one plant you don't want to miss out on. Anubias is one of the most forgiving and attractive plants you can add to your aquarium. It's slow-growing, resilient, and can thrive in a wide range of conditions. But just because it's hardy doesn't mean you can skip the basics. Let's dive into some key tips and tricks to get the most out of your Anubias. Tip number 1, choose the right placement. First off, placement is everything. Anubias loves low to moderate light, so avoid putting it directly under strong lights. Too much light can lead to algae growth on the leaves, which can be tough to manage. Instead, tuck it into a shady spot in your tank, maybe under a driftwood arch or nestled among rocks. This not only keeps it healthy, but also gives your tank a more natural look. Tip number 2, don't bury the rhizome. Here's a big one, never bury the rhizome. That thick, horizontal stem that the leaves and roots grow from, it needs to be above the substrate. If you bury it, the plant will start to rot and nobody wants that. Instead, tie it to a piece of driftwood or a rock using fishing line or plant thread. In a few weeks, the roots will naturally attach themselves. Tip number 3, keep it clean. Anubias leaves are broad and beautiful, but they can also attract debris. Gently clean the leaves during your regular tank maintenance to keep them free from dirt and algae. Just use your fingers or a soft brush to wipe them down. This simple step helps your plant stay healthy and keeps your tank looking pristine. Tip number 4, easy propagation. Want more Anubias? It's super easy to propagate. When the plant has grown enough, you can cut the rhizome with a sharp, clean knife, making sure each section has a few leaves and roots attached. Then just replant each piece following the same rules. No burying the rhizome. Before you know it, you'll have multiple Anubias plants thriving in your tank. Tip number 5, slow and steady wins the race. Lastly, be patient. Anubias is a slow grower, and that's okay. You might not see rapid changes, but as long as the leaves are green and the roots are spreading, your plant is doing just fine. Over time, it'll fill out and become a stunning centerpiece in your aquarium. So there you have it, some simple but powerful tips to make your Anubias the star of your aquarium. Whether you're just starting out or looking to add some life to your tank, Anubias is a fantastic choice. Keep these tips in mind and you'll have a thriving plant that's as low maintenance as it is beautiful. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more aquarium care tips. Drop a comment below if you've got any questions or want to share your own Anubias experiences. Thanks for watching and happy planting!